homeowners reluctant to list properties for sale due to significantly lower home prices. The Toronto area real estate market is experiencing a slow spring as homeowners are hesitant to list their properties for sale, according to an article in the Globe and Mail on March 29, 2023. Market Insider said the market is not behaving normally as new listings decreased in February compared to January. The lack of inventory has resulted in sellers in urban areas receiving multiple offers, but the pace of each market varies by region. However, despite some multiple offers, several Toronto areas saw severe average price declines compared to last year. On a national level, home sales rose 2.3% on a seasonally adjusted basis in February from January, despite the slowdown in the Toronto market. If you found this video and information useful, please smash the subscribe button so we can keep providing you with timely information you can apply on a daily basis.